Hey y'all, it's your girl Candace Lene, and I am back with another video. If you are new to this channel, please go hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you and welcome back. So in this video, guys, as you can see, I have washed my hair and I'm going to do something different today. So I have my aloe vera plant, which I have actually already cut. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm slacking right now. I was trying to get to it while my hair was still wet. But I'm just going to show you the process and what I'm doing and all that good stuff. So continue watching. So as you guys can see, you haven't missed much. All I did was literally go in and cut my aloe vera plant up into smaller pieces than what it was. And now I have it on my cutting board and I'm literally just cutting off the ends right now so that I can go in and get the good stuff in the middle, okay? Y'all, please do not talk about how I cut. I have never been good with using knives and stuff. My boyfriend talks about me all the time. As long as I get the job done and I don't cut myself, I don't even care, okay? So basically all I'm doing right now is taking out the good stuff in the middle. I am leaving just a little bit on the actual plant just because I will be using that later. You guys will see what I do in the video with those pieces here soon. So once I'm done cutting and I have added everything into my blender, I will now go ahead and blend this out. Make sure you blend it real good because some of those pieces are hard to get. So this is what it looks like when it's done blending. And then I need to go in and strain it. There are certain pieces in the aloe vera plant that you don't want to put in your hair. So straining that will help you get rid of those pieces that get stuck in your hair or don't really rinse out so easily. So for my strainer, I'm just using a wig cap. Okay, you gotta use what you got. And then I add it to my spray bottle container. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate on my daughter so you guys can see a little better. So what I'm doing first, these are the pieces that I told y'all to put aside because we were going to use them still. This is the part where you want to kind of get it on your scalp just to make sure that it's nice and moisturized. And as you can see, if enough gel isn't coming out, if you poke at the aloe vera, it will create more. So that's what you can see me doing here. And once I'm done with the roots, I like to just slide it down the rest of the hair. Massage it in a little bit. And then I have this mixture that I made, which has aloe vera in it. It also has grapeseed oil and coconut oil. You can mix whatever oils you would like to in there, but this is my way of using this as a leave-in conditioner versus having to rinse it out. Make sure you focus on the ends. And that is basically what you do. Now, if you wanted to rinse this out, you definitely could. It is up to you. You will leave it on for up to an hour. right here, I just wanted to allow you guys to see exactly what her hair looked like before applying the aloe vera, and then how moisturized it looks directly after. And this is just using the aloe vera on the roots and then taking the mixture. That's it. That's all. But yeah, so this is how you can use aloe vera for hair growth. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to ring my bell, and I will see you guys in my next video.